computer. Yeah. Okay, so I'm recording this, yeah, for those who cannot attend, yeah, this extra meetings. Okay. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, so look at in the abstract if you can find these five moves. Yeah, it's called move. Move one, introduction. And of course, because it is introduction or background, it locates at the beginning of the abstract. Okay, it is not the purpose. So before the purpose, before the authors state the purpose of the research. Yeah. So this is okay. So this is where the authors starts, yeah, introducing their topic or their research, yeah, at the beginning of the abstract. Okay. So if the authors do not start their abstract with purpose, and that is the introduction or the background. Okay, so the sentences that comes before the purpose, so that is the introduction. Okay, the second is the purpose, yeah, where the authors mention the purpose of the research, yeah, of their study. And usually they mention the purpose using the word purpose or aims, yeah, or goals, yeah, or other words, yeah, to state the purpose of the research. Okay, I think it is easy to notify, to identify the purpose where the authors indicate the purpose of the research. Yeah, and later we look at the examples. Now, number three is about the method. Yeah, the method. This one where the authors provides information on design, procedures, or data analysis, or method, or population samples and subject, object, whatever. Yeah, instrument, anything about research method. And this usually comes up after purpose, yeah, after purpose, method. Okay, in the middle of the abstract. And next, move four is product or results. This indicates the results and the argument for the result, the importance of the result, whether or not the result is similar to the result of previous studies or different or contradictory. So where the authors states the result of the research, yeah, this is classified as a move four, okay, in the abstract. And finally is the conclusion. Yeah. So conclusion is the concluding sentence in the abstract, where the authors point out the conclusion or applications or implication, yeah, or interpretation or suggestion. So it can be in any forms, yeah, of concluding sentence. Okay. So I want you to find whether or not an abstract contains these five. So if the abstract doesn't contain five, it's okay. Yeah, no problem. You just uh, 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 tick here, yeah, sentence number. If there is no move one, so let this blank. Okay, move one is not found. Okay, let this blank. And move two, if you find, and of course you can find move two and write the sentence number one, two, number three, for example, or one, two, number two, or just sentence one. And move three method, where are they? In which sentence or sentences? Yeah. Okay. You just write the sentence here. Yeah, from the abstract. And move four is the result. And usually this starts with a statement like the results show that, the results reveal that, yeah, the result of the study are, and so on. Okay. And then number 5 is the conclusion. And usually it uses the word conclusion or application or implication or interpretation and so on. Okay. Look at the particular words that may help you identify the moves, yeah, in the abstract. Okay. Is it clear enough? Do you have any question?
I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to ask, what should we fill in the abstract number? I mean, under the journal title and code, there's abstract
Oh,
number, right?
okay, okay. Yeah.
What's
For this first, for the exercise, you don't have to fill this.
okay.
Yeah, just let this blank. And because you are
Okay.
going to analyze only one. If you are going to analyze more than one abstract, you can fill this, yeah, journal title, the name of the journal.
Mhm.
As in the example, I gave you an abstract, an article from ESP, yeah? I think ESP journal. So you can write here ESP and the ESP journal, and the code is ESP. Yeah.
Okay.
Abstract number. If you analyze the first abstract, yeah, if you are going to analyze, for example, 10 abstracts, and you can give the number from 1 to 10. Abstract number 1, abstract number 2, abstract number 3, and so on. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Is there any other question? So you only find, yeah, in the abstract what moves are available, what moves are found in the abstract. Yeah. And order, yeah, is like this. Yeah, most of the time. Yeah, I think it is very impossible, yeah, if the method comes first and then the purpose. Yeah, it is very rare. Yeah, or the results come first and then the method. It is also very rare. Yeah, so the order is like this: introduction or background, purpose, method, results, and conclusion. Yeah, it is most of the time or like this, the order, yeah, from 1 to 5. You may find that an abstract doesn't have introduction. That's okay. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, you don't have to worry about this. Or an abstract doesn't have a conclusion. It's okay too. Or an abstract doesn't have the purpose. It's okay. Yeah. So you are to identify, yeah, what moves are found in an abstract. Okay, is it clear enough?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we come to the second instrument. Yeah, still in the abstract. Yeah, and most of the time this will be found in the beginning. Yeah, in this one, in the introduction, in move one. Of course, not in the purpose, not in the method, or it can be found in move 4, yeah, and 5. So the possibility is only in move 1, 4, 4 and 5. I think move 5 is also very rare. So the possibility is only in move 1 and move 4. And most of the time, or if it exists, it will be found in move 1. Now, this one. This is the instrument for centrality claim. Yeah, centrality claim. This claim is important, yeah, for authors to attract, yeah, yeah, readers' attention to read the abstract and of course the article. Yeah, there are 4 types of appeals, yeah, or centrality claim. The first one is appeal to salience. Yeah, what does it mean? When the author state that their research or their topic is important or significant, yeah, for a particular reason. Yeah, so the title, the topic, the research is important for a particular reason, and usually it is stated at the beginning of the abstract. And if you find this, you just write it down here, yeah, on the right. Yeah, appeal to salient, appeal to readers that their research is important. Just write the number of the sentence, sentence one to sentence two or wherever. Okay. The second type is appeal to magnitude. This is where the authors mention or claim that their research topic is popular. Yeah, usually they mention like this. There have been many studies on this topic. It means, it implies that this topic is popular because there are many authors, there are many researchers investigating the topic. So this is called, or this is classified as appeal to magnitude. If you find this right on the right side, yeah, the number of the or sentence. It will be very rare if you find more than one type. Yeah, if you find, it is most probably, yeah, you can find only one type. Yeah, you can find appeal to salience only or appeal to magnitude only. Or the third type is when the author state that their topic is new. Yeah, or this topic is this research is the new investigation or new field or new theory, yeah, in the abstract. And also at the beginning, yeah, if you find it, yeah, you find like this, yeah, when the authors. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is the third type when the authors mention that their topic is new, and the newness of the topic or of the research. Yeah, and just write the sentence number. And number four, if they mention that their research is based on a particular problem. Yeah, based on a particular problem. If they mention that there is a practical problem, yeah, on a particular in particular field, yeah, you just write the number of the sentence. So again, I mentioned that it is most probably you can find only one of these four types. Yeah, only one. Either appeal to salience, appeal to magnitude, appeal to topicality, or appeal to problematicity. Okay, yeah, just one, yeah, not more than one in the abstract. If you can find it, and maybe the authors do not mention this in the abstract. They may mention this in the introduction, yeah, not in the abstract. Yeah. Okay. So again, number one is the statement about the importance of the topic. Number two, the statement about the popularity of the topic. Number three is about the newness of the topic. Number four is about the problem available, found in the reality, yeah, that triggers the or that or underlies the research. Okay. So if you can find one, yeah, if you cannot find one, that's let this blank. Yeah, no problem. So no problem. Yeah, okay. From the same abstract, not a different abstract, not abstract number two, still abstract number one. So after analyzing the moves of the abstract, and then you go on with looking at if you can find the appeals. Yeah, appeals to salience, appeal to magnitude, appeals to topicality, or appeals to problematicity. If you can find it. Yeah, if you don't find it, that's okay, no problem. Just let them blank. Okay, is there any question? Is there any question? Okay, is there any question? Okay, no problem.
Clear.
Okay, now let's go on to the third analysis. Okay, this is called research gap analysis. Yeah, this is also a possibility if the authors mention this, one of the 6 strategies, in the abstract. Usually the authors mention this in the introduction, not in the abstract. But now I want to see if the authors also mention this in the abstract. Okay. The first strategy is called absence. When the authors claim that there is no study conducted on this topic before. There is no study. And that possibility is also at the beginning of the abstract. Not in the middle. Not at the end of the abstract. In move one. The absence of there is no study. If the authors mention there is no study on this topic ever conducted before. Number two, if the authors mention that there are very few studies, or there are very little information or insufficient information on the topic, before, ever written, ever conducted, on the same topic. So you just look at, the absent is no study, insufficient is very few studies. Okay. Limitation, when the authors mention that previous studies have some kind of limitation, very little scope or very few samples and so on. Limitation of the information in the study. Okay. And number four, if there are contrasting evidence, found in the previous study, if the authors mention this at the beginning. Okay. Number five, unsolved problem. If the authors mention that there is an unsolved problem, there have been studies on the topic, but the problem still exists. If the authors mention this in the abstract. And number six, if authors claim that their result will add, continuing previous studies, continuing previous studies. If they mention that, there have been studies conducted before, and this is the continuation of the study. If they find this. Okay, so there are 6 strategies about a research gap. About research gap. Okay, there are 5 moves, there are 4 appeals, and there are 6 strategies. Okay, we look at the example. Okay, can you look at this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So,
Yes, sir.
okay, this study investigates variation. So this is the purpose. This is the purpose. This is very clear that this is the purpose. This study investigates variation in how research article writers position themselves vis-a-vis others through explicit references. So this is the purpose. Yeah, move to. Yeah, based on a 2 million word corpus. This is the method. Yeah, this is very clear. This is the method. Okay, and until yeah, until regarding previous works found has found that okay regarding previous work sorry that unlike academic English, many academic cultures avoid it in researching writing. Yeah, Swedish. Okay, here, yeah, you look at this. Yeah, based on a 2 million word corpus of single, the study considers several variables of potentially affecting discourse patterns. Yeah, language. Yeah, while nouns referring to the writer reader were marginal, and second person pronoun highly marked, okay, and were used liberally. Regarding previous work has found that unlike academic English, many academic cultures avoid it in research writing. Swedish, however, like Norwegian, yeah, present a rare case of outnumbering. Okay, what do you think about this? Yeah, this is interesting. Where this a claim or a research gap strategies? Yeah, where the authors mention that there is a difference. Yeah, uh, between Norwegian and Swedish. Yeah, present a rare case of outnumbering English in uses. Yeah, we. Yeah, I. Yeah, this is where the authors study the use of I and we in their articles. Okay, we orientation were equally used in Swedish as in British English, but less in US. Yeah, so differences were thus found across British and so on. Yeah, the disciplinary trends were quite. These the findings. Yeah, these are already the findings of the study. Okay, this is move 4. Yeah, move 4. So the method is only from this one based on a 2 million word corpus, single author research article. The study considers several variables potentially affecting discourse pattern. Yeah, so while now, so these are already finding. The method is only based on a 2 million word corpus of a single author research article. Okay, and then differences were thus found across varieties, with British English showing a preference for we and I, yeah? And especially authorial we. The disciplinary trends were especially strong for English, following the order in Sanderson 2008, with the most writer-reader feasibility in linguistics followed by. So this is all about the of finding. While the findings show a pattern behavioral for the three variables, the extension in group variation found for first person pronouns is also demonstrate that these pronouns are not especially good markers of the genre, but that research article exhibit fluid convention, yeah, following for highly very individual preferences. Okay, yeah. So mostly in this abstract are the findings. Yeah, the finding, comparing the findings from one study to the other study. Okay, now you analyze this single abstract, yeah, using three instruments. Number one is moves, yeah. Number two is the claim appeals, yeah, or centrality claims. And number three is the research gap. Yeah, okay. So if you don't find this, that's okay. Just let it blank. Yeah. Okay. Let's check another example. Yeah. Another example of abstract. Okay. Now let's look at this example. Okay, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Although there are several studies
Yes, sir.
examining second language email writing, few large-scale studies have focused on learning commonly used formulaic sequences such as thank you and so on. What do you think about this? In terms of move first, what do you think about this one? What move is it?
Centrality claiming, sir.
Move first. Yeah, move the 5-1.
Move.
Move the first instrument. Although there are several studies examining second language email writing, few large-scale studies. Is it the purpose or not? Is it the
Move
purpose?
to.
Move 1,
Move
2, huh?
Move to.
Move 2. Is it the purpose?
Yes,
Move
sir.
2 is purpose. Yeah.
Have a pocket. Yes, sir. This a purpose.
Is it talking about this study or other studies?
Other studies.
Other studies, and not talking about this study. Yeah. If
Introduction.
introduction, yeah, this is move 1. This clearly move 1. Yeah, introduction or background. Okay. And then the second one, a total of 460 Japanese. What do you think about this? What is this?
Result, I think, sir.
Huh? A total, this is about population or sample.
Method.
This is a
Three.
method. Yeah, this is a method.
Method, sir.
Of course, this is a
Method.
method. Yeah. And what is the purpose?
Prevents
It is not mentioned. Yeah.
Study. Next sentence is a purpose, sir.
Where is the purpose?
The current study
The current
until
study uses experimental. This is method, still method. You see the word experimental design, pre-test, post-test, delayed post-test. These words, yeah, used for method. Yeah.
results show that.
Result is move forward. You can, yeah, move forward. Results, results show, and so on.
Result.
Now, what about this one? After the delayed post-test conducted 3 months later, however, most students could not currently still. Yeah, this is the result. Okay. The last sentence, a discussion of teaching methods regarding the learning and usage of the 27 form is also included. So this is like move 5. Yeah. Move
Yes, sir.
5. Yeah. Okay. So there is no move 2 in this abstract. Yeah, move 1, move 3, move 4, and 5. No move 2. Yeah, for the first instrument. For the second instrument, they appeal. Yeah, the appeal. Yeah. When we analyze the appeal, we look at this, the move 1, this one. We just look at this one. Although there are several studies examining second language emailing writing, few large studies. What do you think? What kind of appeal is this? Out of 5, yeah, in the instrument. Yeah. What kind of appeal is it? The first one is
In
appeals.
civic science.
Yeah, how many appeals? There are 5 appeals. Yeah, 4. Sorry, 4 appeals. Number 1 appeals to importance. Yeah, importance. Number 2 appeals to popularity. Number 3 appeals to newness. And number 4 is appeals to problematicity. Problem. Is it a problem or not? Is it new or not? Is it important or not? Is it popular or not?
Popular.
Although there are several studies. Do you think several studies popular?
I think it's new, sir.
New. You don't have to.
No, no.
The abstract, yeah, doesn't have to have an appeal. Yeah. Not all abstract have it. Yeah. So if you don't find one of the appeals, just let it blank. It doesn't have it. Okay. So for me, it is very clear that this is the research gap strategy. This research gap strategy. Yeah. The last instrument, insignificance. Yeah, number two of the instrument. Okay. Let me share again the instrument. Yeah,
Few study.
yeah, few studies. Yeah, few studies. Or I can share it again. Where is it? Is the instrument. The instrument. Where is the instrument? Reset instrument. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So I'm sending you through the WhatsApp group the reset instrument again, so you can refer to this. Yeah, when analyzing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the appeal to salient, importance, appeal to magnitude, popularity, appeals to topicality, the newness, and appeal to problem. Yeah. So I don't think that this abstract, yeah, has one of these. Yeah. There is no centrality claim. Yeah. But there is the research gap analysis strategy, research gap strategy, which is insufficient. Yeah, insufficient information. Yeah, so you just okay, so you just write in the instrument. So let me share the instrument again. Okay. Okay, yeah, can you see the instrument again? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
here,
sir.
number two,
Oh.
you
Yes,
just
sir.
write here. You just write number two and let the other places, the other column, the other boxes blank. Just this number two. Yeah, write the number of the sentence. Okay, from one paragraph. And there is no centrality claim. You let these boxes blank. Okay, and of course you can fill is this. Yeah, move one. Yeah, there is sentence one. And then no move two, purpose. And then move three, yes. Yeah. And then move four. And then conclusion, move five. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, when you analyze more than one abstract, yeah, you will find the variation. Yeah, the variation of moves, the variation of centrality claim, and the variation of research gap strategy. Yeah. So if from, for example, I give you 5 abstract and you don't find any of them which have a centrality claim, no problem. Yeah, no problem. You don't have to write it. Yeah, you don't find it, no problem. Yeah, just when you find it, yeah, just when you find it, write the number of the sentence on the right. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is there any question?
I think it's
So
except for
my
the
guess, yeah, my guess is you will not find centrality claim frequently. Yeah, it will be very rare. Checklist number
Okay,
2.
sir.
Yeah, this one. It will be very rare. Yeah, but you will find this one, research gap strategy, more frequently than checklist number 2. Yeah, and of course you will find, yeah, checklist number 1. Of course, yeah. Maybe not 5, maybe only 3, maybe only 4, yeah, from the abstract. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Yes.
Okay, do you want to try?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
yeah.
Uh, Actually, we have to looking for a new article for this analysis or your article in WA group.
My article that I share in the work, this is the draft. It's not finished yet. This is a research. Yeah, this is my research investigating, yeah, moves in article abstract. Okay, let me share my my draft. Yeah, my where I share with you. Okay, here my draft. Yeah, my draft. Yeah, yeah. Okay, this one, make it bigger. Yeah, okay. Now let me share. Okay, yeah. Okay, can you see this? Discourse features of journal
Yes.
article abstract. How
Yes.
authors in high
Yes.
impact journals in language related fields address novelty or the newness and centrality claim in their research abstract. Okay, this is my draft. Yeah, this is my prediction. Yeah, if later after analyzing many abstract, I don't find centrality claim, I will cross this. I will drop this word. So the title will be how authors in high impact journals in language related fields address novelty in their research article abstract. So there will be no centrality claim. Yeah, it can be. That is that possible. Okay. Now here there have been studies. Okay, here I discuss about the importance of abstract in the first paragraph. Okay, here probably the most important section of a journal article is abstract. Okay, now in paragraph 2, rhetorically, an abstract can consist of 5 moves. Yeah, like what I explained in instrument number 1. In paragraph 3, one way of attracting readers to read an article is by addressing centrality claim. This is about the instrument number 2. Okay, centrality claim. And this is the last one. In an abstract, yeah, authors should also present research gap. This instrument number 3. Yeah, this one for instrument number 3. So there are uh, three variables. Yeah, number 1 is about moves. That is instrument number 1. Number 2 is instrument variable about the centrality claim. That is instrument number 2. And this is number 3 is the about research gap, instrument number 3. Yeah, I mentioned here in my literature review, there have been many studies on research article abstract focus on rhetorical structure, yeah, from this and this, yeah. And then, yeah, this one, but here, yeah, although there have been number of studies on the rhetorical structures and linguistic realization, there have been no studies on how authors argue for the importance and attractiveness of the research topic in the research article abstract. So these studies are only about the move, what moves are found in the abstract. There is no further study on looking, yeah, looking at how authors attract readers' attention, the way authors motivate, yeah, encourage readers to read their abstract. There is no study on that topic yet. There is a study, yeah, by Abdi and Sadeghi, yeah, but Abdi and Sadeghi look at the introduction, not the abstract, yeah, on CC, centrality claim. There is a study, yeah, by Arianto, yeah, about research gap strategy, yeah, but not on the high impact, yeah, journal. So this is the reason for my study. And the research question are this, yeah, what rhetorical moves are found in the abstract? Instrument number 1. How do authors publishing in high impact journals in language related field address centrality claim? Instrument number 2. And how do authors publishing in high impact international journals address the research gap in their abstract? This instrument number 3. In case I don't find this one, and number 2, I will drop this. I will have only 2 questions. Yeah. Number 1 is rhetorical moves. Number 3 and number 2 is the research gap strategy. Okay. So this will be the journals. Yeah. I will take 10 abstract, yeah, from applied linguistics, Q1, quartile 1. I will take 10 abstract from modern language journals, yeah, 10, yeah, with impact factors. You see here, is very high, yeah, and therefore I classify this into a high impact journals, yeah, language teaching research, studies in second language acquisition, English for specific purposes, English for academic purposes. Yeah, there are 6 journals, and I'll take only 10 abstract, yeah, only abstract, yeah, from each of these journals. So there will be 60 abstract altogether. And these are the reason for choosing the journals. Yeah, high impact, international, reputable international journals. Yeah, with a high score of SGR score and so on. Yeah. So data collection technique. Yeah, I mentioned here. Yeah, using the instrument. See the example of salience, yeah, example of magnitude, example of topicality. Yeah, you see here. Look at number 1. Yeah, salience, the important. Okay, there has been a consensus that lexical bundles help writers to familiarize. So this is classified as salient, important. Okay, appeals to magnitude. Many current studies. So this is magnitude, popular, because the author mentioned many current studies. Now, there are many studies, yeah? Therefore is popular. Now, this new topicality, in recent years, technology has been widely used. So this is refers to the newness in recent years, okay? And appeals to problematicity, okay, here, yeah, only a few studies. So this is the problem. This is called research world problem. Yeah, research world problem, not a real world problem. So if you find statement like this, only a few studies, you can classify this, yeah, into appeal to problematicity. Okay, like the abstract that we have just look at, yeah, it can be classified into appeal to problematicity. Okay. Now, this is the strategies. Yeah, I think strategies is not very difficult. Yeah, the complete absent, no studies. Yeah, at all on the topic. That is called complete absent. Insufficient. Yeah, when the authors mention very few studies. Yeah, on the topic. Okay. A limitation when the authors mention the studies various issue on writing only on a particular aspect. Yeah, some limitation. Previous studies have some kind of limitation. Yeah, although there have been many studies, but they have some kind of limitation. So this is very clear. Number 4, contrasting. The finding of previous studies are not in line. Yeah, they found different results. Yeah, contrasting results. Yeah. And finally, unsolved problem. There have been many studies, but the problem still exists. There's strategy number 5. Yeah? So there are only 5 strategies. Okay, there are only 5 strategies. Yeah, yeah. I think I write 6. Yeah, in the instrument. Yeah, I will drop 1. Only 5 strategies. There are 5 moves, 4 appeals, and 5 strategies. Okay, so this is the draft of the research. Okay. Okay, is it clear enough? Do you have any question about this? There are 3 analyses. Number 1, move analysis. Number 2, appeals analysis. Number 3 is research gap analysis.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is there any question, please? If you have any question, yes.
So do we have to analyze the article that you sent to in the WA group, or we have to find another new one to analyze it?
Yeah,
I
so-
will now. This is just an exercise. Okay. If you can analyze this, yeah, if you can analyze one example correctly, Yeah, okay. For example, this one, yeah, okay. You cannot see this, yeah. For example, this one, okay, yeah. So I'm sending you probably a new one, a new abstract, okay. If you can analyze the abstract correctly, and then you can go on with this, I will invite you to involve in this study. Yeah, I need 6 students, yeah, to get involved in this study. If you are willing to, I will send you 10 abstract, yeah, 10 abstract from one journal. For example, this is from ESP, okay. I will send you 10 abstract from this journal, English for Specific Purposes, and then analyze them, yeah, using the 3 instruments, and send it back to me. Okay, so if you are willing to do that, yeah, this is based on the result of your analysis. Okay, yeah, I will what is the draft, yeah? Okay, let me share the draft again. I will include your name, yeah, in the articles if you are willing to. Okay, so this one, this one. Okay, so I will put your name here. Yeah, whoever, yeah, after my name there will be 5, yeah, of 5 more, yeah, 5 more students. Okay, if you are willing to get involved in this study, yeah, just help me analyze 10 abstract, yeah, 10 abstract. I will find the abstract, not you, yeah, I will find the abstract. I'll send you the abstract if you are willing to participate in this study. Okay, but you have to do first, analyze one uh, analyze one abstract that I'm going to send you, yeah, using the 3 instruments. Okay, so this is important, yeah, because we are encouraged, yeah, to do research, yeah, together with the student, with the evidence of published articles, yeah. So I for our accreditation, yeah, I can show the evaluator later that we have been doing this study with the student. This is the result. This is my name, and these are the student's name. This is the result of a particular subject, yeah, discourse analysis. The output of the subject is an article from a research, yeah, from the lecturer and the student. Okay, so I will offer, yeah, you, if you can analyze the abstract using the 3 instruments correctly, I will ask you whether you can involve, yeah, if you are willing to get involved in this study, yeah, later, after probably next week, yeah, after you have done one analysis, yeah, one analysis. I want to see whether you can do it or not. Okay, for example, there are 10 students who can analyze the abstract correctly using the 3 instruments. I will choose the 10. I will ask whether or not you are willing to participate. I need 5 students. If you are willing to do that, yeah, I will include your names in the articles, and the articles will be submitted to an international journal.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
is there any question about this?
No, sir, clear, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear
Yeah.
enough, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, if no more question, that's all for this afternoon. I'll send you a new abstract to analyze. Yeah, I will check the instrument again. There are only 5 research gap strategies. Yeah, not 6. Okay, and use the instrument to analyze the new abstract. Yeah, that I will send you from the same journal. Yeah. Okay, that's all for this afternoon. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah. Assalamualaikum
Thank
warahmatullahi
you so much,
wabarakatuh.
sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Stay healthy, sir. Thank you so much for spending time
Okay.
with
Thank you.
us. Explain. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Okay.